Replacing a coolant supply pipe. Remove the coolant supply branch pipes from the battery packs. Remove the coolant supply main pipe from the LTMS. Remove the coolant supply pipe from the pipe clamps. Secure the coolant supply pipe to the pipe clamps. Connect the coolant supply main pipe to the LTMS. Install the coolant supply branch pipes to the battery packs.